Today, we're about to uncover some eye-opening insights into why many people continue to grapple with financial difficulties. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at the 10 reasons that might be holding you back financially and how to overcome them. Let's start with reason number 1, the lack of financial education. It's surprising how many people are never formally taught how to manage their money effectively. Without a solid foundation in financial literacy, we can easily make poor financial decisions. Therefore, it's crucial to seek out financial education resources, whether it's through books, online courses, or local workshops. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial choices. Reason number 2 is procrastination. We've all been there, putting off important financial decisions, whether it's saving, investing, or budgeting. But procrastination can severely hinder your financial progress, as time is a critical factor when it comes to building wealth. To combat this, start small by setting achievable financial goals and creating a timeline for achieving them. Breaking down your financial journey into manageable steps can help overcome procrastination. Moving on to reason number 3, we have living beyond your means. The pressure to keep up with the Joneses can lead to overspending, which not only prevents saving but also results in mounting debt, a burden that can be detrimental to your financial well-being. It's essential to create a realistic budget that allows you to live comfortably within your means and allocate a portion of your income towards savings and debt reduction. Reason number 4 emphasizes the importance of setting clear financial goals. Without well-defined objectives, it's easy to feel lost in your financial journey. Having specific goals like saving for a home or retirement provides direction and motivation. Ensure your goals are smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's talk about reason number 5, debt mismanagement. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can drain your financial resources. Establishing a structured plan to tackle debt is essential for maintaining your financial stability. Explore debt consolidation options, negotiate lower interest rates, and make a concerted effort to pay down your debts. Reason number 6 highlights the significance of having an emergency fund. Without a financial safety net, unexpected expenses can quickly throw you off track. Make sure you have a dedicated emergency fund to cover unforeseen costs. Experts recommend having at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved in an easily accessible account. Now, reason number 7 is the fear of investing.
Some individuals are hesitant to put their money into investments due to concerns about potential losses.
However, keeping all your money in a low-yield savings account might feel safe, but it can limit your wealth-building potential. Overcome this fear by starting with small, low-risk investments and gradually expanding your investment portfolio as you gain confidence and knowledge. Reason number 8 emphasizes the value of passive income opportunities. Income sources like real estate, dividends, or online businesses can be a game changer. They provide you with financial independence and the ability to make your money work for you. Diversify your income streams to create a robust financial safety net. Reason number 9 centers on the importance of networking. Building strong relationships and connections can open doors to opportunities you might not otherwise encounter. Don't underestimate the power of your network in improving your financial prospects. Attend networking events, join industry-related groups, and actively engage with your professional and social circles. Last but not least, reason number 10 is a lack of persistence. Achieving financial success is a journey that takes time and effort. Challenges and setbacks are part of the process, and giving up when faced with difficulties can hinder your progress. Maintain your persistence by regularly reviewing your financial goals, tracking your progress, and adjusting your strategies when necessary. So, there you have it, the top 10 reasons why you might be struggling financially. Recognizing these obstacles is the first step toward achieving financial freedom. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll delve deeper into strategies and solutions for overcoming these hurdles. Thanks for watching! If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please share them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video as we continue our journey towards financial empowerment.